Hi students, we are discussing a doubt question asked by you. Just see here, the question is given as the oscillation of a block A and B are. We have a combination of system given in the figure and we need to find out the oscillation of the system. Now there are two blocks A and B. First of all, we need to assume tension in the string. Let tension is T here. So here also tension will be T. Here the tension will be T, and here also tension will be T, and here the tension will be T, because we are using a same string here. Now at the pulley, tension is T upward and also tension is T upward. In that case here the tension will be 2T. So the tree diagram of 5 kg block will be as tension in upward direction 2T and the weight will be 5G downward. Okay, now let this block of mass 2 kg is moving distance x1 along right side and the block B having mass 5 kg is moving distance x2 downwards. So we need to use the virtual work method to calculate relation of acceleration between the blocks. So according to virtual work method, here the tension is acting T and this is moving distance x1. So angle between displacement and the tension is 0, and on the block B tension is upward 2T and this one is moving distance x2 in downward. So net work done on the string must be 0 because there is no extension in the string, so work done will be 0. So work done by the first tension T into x1 cos 0 degree plus 2T into xt cos 180 degree, because tension and the displacement both are in opposite direction and the sum must be 0. So Tx1 minus 2Tx2 will be 0. So take the T as a common. X1 minus 2x2 will be 0. Here the tension cannot be 0. There will be some tension in the string. So x1 minus x2, 2x2 will be 0. So x1 equals to 2x2. Now differentiate this equation 2 time with respect to time. First time will be difference with respect to time, then we will get velocity v1 is equals to 2v1 v2, and again we are differentiating this equation with respect to time, we will get acceleration a1 is equals to 2a2. So a2 is equals to a1 by 2, yeah, a1 equals to 2a2. Now move on the next. See the free body diagram of the mass of 2 kg. 2g is acting downward. Normal reaction N1 is acting upward, and here the tension is T and acceleration is 2a, suppose. And for the second block, tension is upward 2T, 5G is acting downward. See here, 5 kg block, so 5G is acting downward, 2T is acting upward, but this block is moving downward with acceleration A. If this block B is moving with acceleration A, so A1 is equals to 2A. यहाँ पे रिलेशन हमारे पास आ चुका है. We have got the relation. If the acceleration of block B is A, then block A will be 2A. Now we need to apply Newton's second law here. The force along the vertical will be balanced for this first block, and now T is equals to 2 time of A into mass of this block, and the mass of this block is 2 kg. So T is equals to 4 time of A. Now apply the Newton's second law for this block. Here the equation will be 5G minus 2T is equals to 5A. Now see, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now put the value of T in equation 2. 5G minus 2 time of 4A is equals to 5A. So 5G minus 4 into 2 8a is equals to 5a. So 5g is equals to 5a plus का 8a. Now 5g will be equals to 13a. So acceleration a will be equals to 5 by 13 time of g. It's mean the block of mass 5 kg is moving with acceleration of 5 by 13 time of g. So the block of mass 2 kg will move with acceleration 2a. So it will be 2 into 5 by 13 g, and this will be equals to 10 by 13 g. Now in the given question it is given that block A and B has the acceleration. So acceleration of A is 10 g by 13, and this will be along rightwards, so forward, and 5 g by 13 downward. So then option A is correct here. Here the option A is correct. I hope it answers your question. Thank you.